Nagdagan na. Anya!
Daghan man dahon, oy.
Come here! Swim na ka! Gidan. Thank you, ya. Lagi? Hindot ki ang kuan yang no? Sige, swim to tatay ka. Close mouth. Close mouth, close eyes. Say hi to the camera. And hello everyone. Eh,
Sing bahay ko.
di, kuan sa anya? Green. Ani, ana.
Ani, ana.
Green. Ah?
Bahay ko kahit munti ang halaman ay sing
Mas atalang ani.
ikaw at patani.
Likod ka. Itay. Ya, open diri ya.
Iya. Iya.
1, 2, 3.
Ani ana.
Oh.
Dahon. Dahon.
Ew, nitiki nga naman to eh.
Iba na siya sa mga name sa mga
Give me
tao.
chocolate.
Anya, jump, jump yang.
Sige, go. 1, 2, 3. Look at the door.
Ari, ari, mag-jump, jump ta.
Tati.
Tati.
Answer, answer. Unsay name ni Tati? Taya. Unsay name ni Toto? Lower.
Jump daw yan, jump.
Sige, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Anak lang, hold lang. Anak. Tuto, hold tuto. Kaya nakainom po tuto.
One, close your mouth.
Dito may dagat, ingon din siya. Ay,
Santa.
ay. Tubig, inom.
1, 2, 3, go.
Kainom sa dagat.
Ang naong. The girls and boys. Say hi, Jami. Hi, Arya.
A video kay nada.
Video. Makita na nininiyan na.
Clean shit.
Kaya ano, video kay pang vlogger man na.
Slowly, Arya, slowly.
Oh, you can do it without the floaters na, Jami. Wow, good job. Yes. That's good. You learned. Good job, Jam. You're not scared anymore. Did you remember that you were scared before?
Yeah, I was scared before. I'm so scared.
Now you're okay na.
Yeah.
Good. 1, 2, 3, go. Nice one.
Look at Anya. Oh yeah, look at Anya. I'm carrying her.
Go down, Jammy, and I will video you. 1, 2, 3, go. You try to swim, padong here. 1, 2, here. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow, excellent swimmer. And Yana, you. Huh? Yana.
No splashing.
Uy, Anya.
Anya. Jump.
1. Go! Jump, Anya! Go, Anya! Dugaya sa 1, 2, 3.
Ano? Kuya! Akong tingog ba kay Murugod?
3, 2, 1, jump!
Yay! Swim here! Swim here!
Swim, swim!
Wow!
Yay! She's already here.
Seto. Last, sakit to kayo kung ikaw na to, if 20 atong goal. A to Z. Oh my gulay. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my god. Sorry. Strike! Yeah. Okay na. Pwede man ikaw atat eh. Maragubot na kayong upat. Communication is the key. Good. Oh.
You can slam it back, right?
Yeah. Whoa!
Score.
Nice ka, yeah.
9-6, no? Oh. 9-6, go.
9-6. Hoy, wala to, Pin. Maruwa, oy.
Walay na ngay.
Sorry. Bring it on. Pwede ka mabalik. Ay, sorry! Nice one.
Here you go. Go. Nice!
Get it.
Good! Oh!
This one. 13-10. Sige. 1, 2, 3, smile. Dagan pa yung mga chairs sa likod. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Galindo family, awan ko na sa ilang. Now, kidding aside, please. That's why it's worth it that we make a commitment. The same way that Joshua made a commitment. For me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Sige, hold hands together, perhaps as a sign of, make some gestures of unity, whatever that, make it very solemn. Together, we will say our pledge of commitment. And this is also like a sort of a covenant, rededicating our families to God.
Good.